XL LifeSmart installation. Please note, wiring to be done by a licensed electrician only. Let's start by turning off the main switch in the load center. Now we'll wire the products. This diagram shows the DIN rail gateway 412181, and it's also applicable to the wall gateway sold with the XL LifeSmart starter kit. Here's a smart switch or dimmer. This diagram shows a two-way configuration with a switch or a dimmer. The smart single power point is wired as per usual. Now we'll turn the main switch back on. You'll notice that all the wired products will turn red. Network creation. There are two different types of gateways, a wall gateway or a DIN rail gateway. Let's first look at the wall gateway, sold with a wireless master switch in XL LifeSmart starter kit EWNSKIT. Grab the wireless switch, remove the plastic tab and press on one of the buttons. Wait for the green light to stop flashing. You can now open the network by pressing and holding simultaneously both buttons until the LED flashes green, then release. The gateway will turn green and the wired smart products will follow. If you have a DIN rail gateway 412181, you open the network by pressing the button on the front until the green LED appears, then release. All of the smart wired products will turn green. Closing the network. If you have the wall gateway, briefly press both buttons simultaneously and you'll notice the green light will flash several times. All wired products LEDs turn off. If you're using the DIN rail gateway, close the network by pressing briefly. You'll notice the green light flash several times. The wired product LEDs will turn off. It's time now to download the Legrand Home Plus controller. Firstly, we create your account. A strong 8 to 10 character password is recommended. Add your gateway to your Wi-Fi network. Press Legrand. In this example, we're using the starter kit. Click on the first link. If you're using the DIN rail gateway, you would click the second link. As prompted by the app, press and hold both buttons of the wireless master switch until you see the green light, then release. Perform the same operation a second time. Allocate smart products to rooms. Select the first room in which you have smart products. Once you've allocated all of your smart products to the rooms, press Finish. Check your installation on the screen and confirm. Your smart home is ready. You can now control your lights and appliances via the app. You can turn all lights in one room on or off by clicking the bulb on the right-hand side of the room, or you can turn individual lights on or off by clicking on the room they're in and toggle them. Excel LifeSmart is compatible with Google, Alexa and Siri. To match any modern interiors, 3 finishes are available: gloss white, matte white and matte black. For more information, visit our website or discover more videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.